Today we are going to discuss about how to read an ECG. Basically there are 5 steps to read any ECG. Step 1 is calculate the rate, step 2 is determine regularity, step 3 is assess the P wave, step 4 is determine the PR interval, step 5 is determine the QRS complex. So in today's video we are going to discuss all these steps one by one. First step is how to calculate the rate. Basically there are 3 methods to calculate the rate in every ECG. Number 1 is the rule of 300, another is rule of 1500, another is the 6-second method. If the rhythm is regular in the ECG, then we apply the rule of 300 and rule of 1500. If rhythm is irregular, then we have to apply 6-second method. First we discuss about the rule of 300. Here you can see 2 red arrows which shows 2 RR intervals. First locate the RR intervals, then calculate the number of large boxes between the 2 RR intervals, then multiply them with 300. For example, here is 3 large boxes between 2 RR intervals. If we divide 300 into 3, the answer will be 100. So rate of this ECG is 100 beats per minute. Another method is the rule of 1500. How to assess the rate with the rule of 1500? As we previously discussed about rule of 300, same as we calculate the rate in rule of 1500. First locate the RR intervals, then count the number of small boxes between 2 RR intervals, then multiply them with 1500. The answer will be 100. Now comes toward the second step, how to assess the rhythm. Locate the RR distances using a caliper or marking on a pen or paper. First pick a paper and put them on 2 RR interval, then mark the paper on RR interval, then measure the distance. If all distance is equal, then rhythm is regular. If there is difference between 2 RR intervals, then rhythm is irregular. Step 3, assess the P wave. So here you can see this is the normal P wave. First locate the P wave. Is P wave is present or not? Then locate the shape of the P wave, how P waves look alike. Then assess the rhythm of the P wave. As we discussed previously how to assess the rhythm, same as we apply on the P wave. Pick a paper and measure distance between 2 P and P. If distance is constant between 2 P waves, it's regular. Otherwise there is arrhythmias. Now comes toward how to determine the PR interval. Normal PR interval start from the beginning of the P wave and beginning of the Q wave. Normal duration of PR interval is 0.12 seconds to 0.20 seconds or 3 small boxes to 5 small boxes. If PR interval is more than 0.12 seconds or more than 5 mm, it's PR prolonged. The causes of PR prolonged is first degree heart block, rheumatic fever, aortic root abscess. If PR interval is less than 0.12 milliseconds or less than 3 small boxes, it's called short PR interval. The causes of short PR interval is sinus tachycardia, WPW syndrome, LGL syndrome. Final step is QRS duration. Normal QRS duration is 0.04 second or 0.12 second or 1 small box to 3 small boxes. If QRS duration is more than 12 milliseconds, it's called wide QRS complex. There are a lot of causes of wide QRS complexes like LBB, RBB, ventricular arrhythmias like ventricular tachycardia, ventricular fibrillation. Thank you. If you are interested in this kind of video, follow for more.